I literally just heard the loudest firework ever. Like, maybe you might get to hear it. I don't know here. Just maybe wait a little. Just. Oh my god. If you heard that, like and comment, please. Cause I'm risking my life for you, even my dog, because this might start a little fire. I don't know. Oh, they're doing this for 4th of July yeah, but it's not 4th of July already. It's gonna be in like 3 days. It's gonna be 4th of July in 3 days. So, wait, 3 days. Yeah, 3 days. I'm not gonna be, so I am gonna post on Tuesday because I don't have my daycare to John Muir. So I think I'm gonna post on this Thursday. So I'm also gonna post tomorrow. Don't worry. So you don't have to worry. Let's try to hear it.